5 Best Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Here is the product number 5. Classic Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless Vacuum. Feature: GTC Self-Cleaning Brush Roll System. Self-standing design. XSP Double Multi-Bore High Suction. 2-inch-1 detachable handheld vacuum. Flexible steering system, 180-degree easy steer maneuverability. Lightweight and friendly ergonomic design, no need to bend over when cleaning, self-standing design, tools and accessories. Here is the product number 4. i9 22,000 pascals Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Main features: used brushless motor, the rotation speed can reach 80,000 revolutions per minute, a suction power of up to 22,000 pascals, a duration of up to 45 minutes. Vacuum cleaners can use an infrared detector to detect the amount of dust so that they automatically adapt to the appropriate suction. Electric hair brush, suitable for hard floors, carpets, etc. Here is the product number 3. Original ROIDMI F8E Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name: ROIDMI. Power: W, 500 watts. Voltage: V, 7.2 V. Function: sweep suction. Dust box capacity: L, 0.5 liters. Dust storage type: dust cup. Special suction nozzle, multifunctional combined brush. Filter type: HEPA. Cord length: M, wireless. Here is the product number 2. ILIFE H70 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The cordless vacuum cleaner with powerful suction to picks up debris and dusts, crumbs and pet hairs. 2 adjustable modes adapt to different situation. Ergonomic design handle provides optimum comfort and to avoid stress for long time use. Hanging butt design, wall hanging design, convenient storage without taking up much space. Washable filter with detachable battery. Here is the product number 1. Dreame V9 PV9 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. 100,000 revolutions per minute digital motor, 20,000 pascals, 5 stages HEPA filtration, 60 minutes run time. There are 3 gears on the back of the vacuum cleaner, I2 Max. Municipal Cyclone separation. The small cyclones each generate powerful force in filling 99.99% dust or pollen into the bin. The cold air system design.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.